Hey fellow Nevillers, today we're up in Feeling is the Secret. It's not the big book that Neville wrote, it's the radio lecture from 1951, and as its title intimates, it's all about feeling. So today I'm going to share some of the parts that Neville talks about how important feeling is. So Neville opens the lecture and he shares this part. He says we can think about something forever and ever and never see it in our world. But once let us feel its reality and we are bound to encounter it. The more intensely we feel, the sooner we will encounter it. We all regard feelings far too much as effects and not sufficiently as causes of the events of the day. Feeling is not only the result of our conditions of life, it is also the creator of those conditions. We say we are happy because we are well, not realizing that the process will work equally well in the reverse direction. We are well because we are happy. We are all far too undisciplined in our feelings. Let's stop there. I know exactly what Neville's trying to tell us. We're too undisciplined in our feelings, as in we react, we judge, and it involves our feelings, i.e. something we don't like, then a feeling is going to well up within you. I know this from personal experience. So what we need to do is be more aware of our attitudes, moods, and feelings. Generally, as a rule, we think if something happens, it's that thing out there that happened in 3D, i.e. it was the cause of what made us feel this way. But actually, it's the reverse. Our feelings, what we feel in here, inside our body, create what's out here in 3D. So it's up to us to master our feelings and be more disciplined and not have Neville tell us that we're undisciplined. Let's have another look at what he says. To be joyful for another is to bless ourselves as well as him. To be angry with another is to punish ourselves for his fault. The distressed mind stays at home, though the body travels to the ends of the earth, while the happy mind travels though the body remains at home. Feeling is the secret of successful prayer, for in prayer we feel ourselves into the situation of the answered prayer, and then we live and act upon that conviction. So when we've got our wish and it's evoking all these feelings in us, or when we're wanting our wish, all the feelings well up inside us, those feelings are what is going to create our reality. So today's lesson, really, fellow Nevillers, is to master your feelings, master your inner workings, and master your mind. We'll be back with some more. Today's a short one, and I'll be back with some more tomorrow with another lecture. Please leave some comments, some love, thumbs up, some like, and I'll be glad to answer any questions you may have when you've watched these. Thanks for your time and attention, fellow Nevillers. See you next time. Bye.